Okay, this is what I'm using here to test out the RPMs on my motor. It's this Harbor Freight sort of middle of the line multimeter with the tachometer. I have it set to a 6-cylinder there. Go ahead and start the boat up and show you guys what's going on. Okay, so you can see there that I put the tachometer onto the spark plug wires, and the cylinder I'm having a problem with, it only showed that 135 reading on the tachometer. It's times 10 RPM. And every other cylinder, well, I should say 1 and 4 are doing the 135 thing, and then every other cylinder is doing that really fast higher number there that you can't really make out.